my tested guide to making it online. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step process on how to make money online. You will learn how to start your own blog, create engaging content, and share it in the right places. You will also learn about the different ways of generating revenue from your blogs, such as affiliate marketing and e-commerce. The first step is to choose a topic for your blog. It should be something that interests you and that you know a lot about. Once you have chosen your topic, decide on what kind of content to publish on your blog. There are many ways of making money online, but this guide will focus on blogging as it is one of the most popular methods these days. Blogging can be done for both personal and professional reasons, like building a business or establishing authority in any niche as an expert. Here are some of the reasons why. 1. Why you may need to go online to make money. Many people have turned to the internet as a way to make money. The internet is a great place for anyone who wants to work from home and avoid the daily slaving hurdles. The internet offers many opportunities for making money, and it is possible to do so from anywhere in the world. Some of these options include writing, affiliate marketing, blogging, photography, and much more. Some people are successful in their online ventures while others are not so much. If you want to make money online, then you need to be prepared to get a mentor who is exactly where you dream to be, and a little bit of hard work comes with it. 2. How much you can get paid from affiliate marketing. For example, affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. The best thing about it is that you don't need any special skills or qualifications, you just need to know how to drive traffic. The main reason for affiliate marketing's popularity is that it provides a way for people to make money without the need for any upfront investment. All that an affiliate needs to do is promote a product, and when someone buys, they get a commission. Some affiliates may also offer recurring commissions where they get paid a percentage of every sale made by their customers over time. And if you're looking at this option, it's worth noting that some programs will only pay out monthly, quarterly, or yearly rather than every time someone makes a purchase. I will leave links in the description in case you want to get started right away, just as I did when I got started. 3. How are online money-making opportunities different from 9-to-5 jobs or offline businesses? Online money-making opportunities are different from 9-to-5 jobs or offline businesses because they allow people to work from home and earn money without having to go through the hassle of commuting. The online world has changed the way we work and make money in a number of ways. It has given rise to new opportunities for individuals looking to work in a freelance capacity, recommend other people's products for commissions, as well as provide new ways for companies to outsource tasks that they might not have previously been able to do. Some people look at online opportunities as an easy way out of their current situation, while others see it as a great opportunity for them to start their own business on the side. However, there are some things that you need to bear in mind when considering this kind of career change. A focused and positive mindset is one of the most important qualities to take into consideration. The future is virtual. This is why you may need to go online and learn how to make money. It's not a question of if, but when the future will be virtual. The world has already been transformed by the internet, smartphones, and social media. As a result, it's not too difficult to imagine that in the near future, everything will be done on screen through VR or AI technology. But what does this mean for you? Well, if you're not prepared for this change, it could mean unemployment or a severely decreased income. But if you're prepared, then the future should be a success. I hope that this provides you an inspiration to try to change something in any situation you may be in. For Mike and Life Goal Solutions, thank you for watching.